Day 10 of 10 million, locked in the apartment, racked with restless energy that's hard for me to harness. My eyelids are heavy with a non-stop burning, and life is a grind, gears do not stop turning. 3 years gone, what have I even accomplished? Still stuck in an office season after season of nonsense, running out of reasons to even believe that I've got this. The path I've picked only seems to be toxic. I mean, the scene's monotonic with the clink of the clock ticks. Hoarding bills to the point I'm sitting on a quarter mil, which sounds nice but doesn't really support or build the life I'd like. Years lost don't feel as importance filled. Birthdays come quick now, honestly feeling old as fuck. Stressing setbacks, saying softly I should sober up. Roll a blunt just to survive throughout the 9 to 5. See my reflection in the mirror, wonder out loud if I'm alive. Been around enough to know I just gotta vent it out. Screams are quiet, but when I write it, then the pen is loud. If you enjoyed this video, please take a second to like and subscribe as it really helps. I've also got a second channel, How to Happy, which focuses on health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.